Canada.
Canada.
What if I told you there's a shortcut that can fast-track your journey without needing a very high CRS score or waiting for years? It's called the Provincial Nominee Program, or the PNP, and it's one of the smartest and fastest ways to settle in Canada. Stay till the end because I'll also share a pro tip that can save your PR application from delays and rejections. Let's start with the basics. Canada is divided into 10 provinces and 3 territories, and each province has different job markets and different skill demands. The Provincial Nominee Program allows these provinces to nominate skilled people they need. So, instead of applying only through the federal system where the competition is high, you can apply directly to a province where your skills are in demand. And here's the best part. If a province nominates you, you get an instant boost of 600 points in your Express Entry profile. This almost guarantees that you will receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency in the next draw. Sounds good, right? But it gets better. For more people, the PNP route is easier and faster than the federal PR program. And I'll explain that to you in this video. Now, let's talk about why PNP is so popular. Number 1, easier eligibility. Many provincial programs have lower CRS score requirements compared to federal express entry. Number 2, faster processing. PNP applications are prioritized and often processed in 6 to 12 months. Number 3, targeted opportunities. Provinces select candidates based on local skills shortage. If your job is in demand, your chances will skyrocket. Number 4, multiple streams. Almost every province has different PNP streams, like for skilled workers, students, healthcare professionals, and many more. Every province uses its own point system and looks at factors like your age, your education, work experience, language proficiency, which is English or French, and job offers, which is required in some cases. So, if you have the right profile and choose the right province, your chances of getting PR increases dramatically. Now, let's break down the basic eligibility requirements most provinces look for. Number 1, language skills. Minimum IELTS score of 6 in each module, that is CLB 7. Some provinces may accept CLB 5, but CLB 7 is safest. Number 2, education. At least high school completion equivalent to Canadian standards. Higher education means more points. Number 3, age. Ideally between 18 to 45 years. After 45, it gets harder but not impossible. Number 4, work experience. Usually 1+ year in a relevant occupation. Number 5, valid passport with at least 2 years validity left. And now, required documents, which are your passport and your ID proofs, IELTS and CEL PIP scorecard, ECA report for educational equivalence, your work experience letters, police clearance certificates, and proof of funds, which is required in some cases. These are general criteria, but each province may change them based on their job market needs. Let's talk about how to apply for PNP. Step number 1, research and choose the right province. Check which provinces have a demand for your occupation. Step number 2, create your Express Entry profile. Submit your details like your age, education, work experience, and your IELTS score. Step number 3, apply to the Provincial Nominee Program. Go to the province's official immigration portal and submit your application. Step number 4, receive a provincial nomination. If selected, you will receive a nomination certificate. Step number 5, get an invitation to apply. Your Express Entry score jumps by 600 points, guaranteeing an ITA in the next federal draw. Step number 6, submit final PR application. Submit all your verified documents to IRCC, pay the fees, and wait for the approval. Step number 7, get your PR visa and land in Canada. The Canada PNP program is one of the fastest and smartest ways to get permanent residency especially if you choose the right province and submit a perfect application. Now, the pro tip that I promised. Most PNP rejections happen due to incorrect work experience letters. Always double check that your job duties matches NOC requirements before submission. If you want expert guidance to maximize your chances, we at TerraTurn are always here to help. Drop a PNP in the comments if you would like us to send you a free step-by-step guide for the Provincial Nominee Program and check your eligibility.